Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And for this video I just decided to get a bit more personal, and I don't think I've showed my face on this channel for a while. So I just want to keep you guys updated on what I'm building for my FileSwift, my SaaS, which is a file conversion and document formatting app called FileSwift. So I've recorded a few videos about it already on the channel. In case you're wondering, if you haven't seen it, I'm gonna leave a link here so you can go watch it. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep you guys updated on what I've been doing. It's been I think 2 months now since my last video. So far, I'm just gonna go to the website. As you can see, we're there already, fileswift.io. Okay, so as you can see, the home page has changed from the last video, and in terms of also the number of conversion that we've done on the site has gone up as well. We've crossed 1,000 free conversions, because it's a SaaS app, but it's also free for people to use as well. And yeah, as you can see from the menu, you can see this wasn't there already. I've sort of added some more features to the app, to be honest. If you go here, this is the conversion page where you can actually convert your files. Okay, if you have a document, if you have an image, PNG or JPEG or SVG files that you want to convert, you can definitely do it here, and you can convert it from PDF to JPEG, or from JPEG to PDF, or from PDF to Word, which is one of the most popular conversions that people actually use the site for. Okay, so this is it. You can just browse that from the menu. What I've gotten done this past week is this new page, which is the compress PDF page. This is brand new. Okay, I launched this weekend of Saturday the 6th of June 2026, where I launched this page here, which is an extension. Again, this website will have more tools for people to use for free, and also for people who want to pay for it as well. You have the option. Okay, so this functionality is just for compressing PDFs basically. Okay, and as you can see, the page is pretty simple. The main tool is in the center of the page. It's got a header, and yeah, it's got a few options for the compression. You can do low, medium, and high compression for your files, mostly just PDF. Okay, and then there are also links to other tools as well. And then obviously you have the standard frequently asked questions in case you have queries about what it can do for you and stuff like that. As you can see, an example is is it free to compress, which is obviously something that people always want to ask. So I just answered it right here up front, as you can see. So I'll test it so you guys can see that it works perfectly. I'll take this PDF here, which is basically an image of a golden retriever, right? And you can see the size. See, it's 110 KB, right? And I'm going to use the medium setting here. I'm just going to click compress image, and as you can see, it's within less than a second, it's already done it. You can see the 60, it's now converted that image 60% smaller. Okay, from 110 kilobytes to 43 kilobytes, which is a 60% difference. Okay, and I'm going to download it so we can look at the quality of the image, and you can see that the image has not changed in quality, didn't lose any quality. Okay, that shows you that the compression works perfectly. So be rest assured and be confident enough that you can use FileSwift to compress your PDF documents. Okay, I'm going to try another file just to show you a different setting, so that your you don't think I'm playing around, let's try this file, which is my old CV. Yeah, this is 73. Let me check. Let me use a bigger file actually, so you don't think it's just. Let me see if I've got a bigger file here. So, let me use this one. Okay, speaking of, from here, let me use which is the low setting is the maximum compression. Okay, is the maximum compression, and it will reduce the quality slightly, but not so much that you can't see that the original document is is damaged in quality or something. No, it's still very good. So let me use that setting and just press compress PDF, and we'll see. Again, it's converted it from 171 kilobytes to 62 kilobytes, which is 64% smaller. Okay, now let me download it and let's see. As you can see, it's just a simple, obviously it's a simple document, and you can see that even the quality, the image and stuff like that is still pretty much, visible. Okay, but yeah, that's an example of using different settings, like I said, and then you could just go and compress another file. I should say that you get obviously five free conversions or compressions, I should say, per day. Okay, so that should give, if you're a free user, that should give you enough time to compress whatever file whatever PDF file you're trying to compress. So, and the same thing for, let me go back to the conversion to dashboard. The conversion dashboard, like I said earlier, you can convert PDF to Word to PDF, JPEG to PNG, SVG to PNG, or whatever you want. Okay, even CSV as well. Okay, and the same thing is true. You only have 5 free conversions a day. Okay, so I will give that a try as well, so you can see. I think I've tested it before. Let's go for this image. This is a simple PNG image. Let's try to convert that into a PDF. Let's go with a PDF and just convert. And it should be straightforward. It doesn't take too long, less than 30 seconds. It should be done. Okay. So you can see, it also tells you what it's doing so that you know. And this pop-up, for example, is just to let you know if you want to sign up for the website, for the app, for the site, so that you can actually have your own account and stuff like that. If you're a regular user and you regularly convert documents or compress documents, okay, you can just create your free account. But if you don't want to, that's fine. Just say no thanks and download the file. Okay, and then you can just download the file as a zip or on its own by just clicking this button here, and then you click on the file, and as you can see, it's turned it into a PDF. Remember, we started out as a PNG and converted it to a PDF. So that shows you that the conversions and the compression tools are working perfectly on FileSwift. Okay, so it's FileSwift.io if you want to work, if you're someone who regularly work with documents. Okay, make sure to keep that in mind. It's FileSwift.io. Okay, so yeah, that's what I've been up to, and obviously, like I said, in the menu, there's a lot more that I'm going to do and implement on the website. There's going to be compression for images as well, in terms of PDF, in terms of JPEGs and PNGs and stuff like that. And there'll be a tool that will help you merge your PDFs as well. Okay, because that's something people also want to do, and also splitting PDFs as well. So you can split PDFs into different pages. That will also be implemented very, very soon. So I'll keep you updated though. So, but yeah, so far so good. If you enjoyed this video, just like the video and also share it with other people, and don't forget fileswift.io. So make sure you watch the video, and thank you very much for watching, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.